Okay, so my name is Jay Sudhakaran, representative of Resideo, and I'd like to introduce you today to Buoy. Buoy is your whole home smart water controller, and essentially what it does is connects onto your main water line, and within a matter of weeks, it begins to learn all of your respective flow devices within your home. So that means everything from your faucets, through your toilets, through your appliances. It gets to learn and understand all of those unique devices in your home and categorizes them, and then starts to show exactly how your flow rate changes over time. So what that means is it understands your behavioral patterns, and it gets to understand not only how your whole home operates, but also how each unique device operates within your home. Now, why is that important? Over time, it learns to detect and look for leaks, and everything from pinhole leaks to catastrophic leaks. And so it's not only a water conservation measure, it's also a risk mitigation factor. It can identify a leak, and then it will notify you through your app and ask you if this is a leak, and if it is, then you can either have it shut down, or you can have it set that it will automatically shut off to prevent any disasters that occur in your system. To get this service, there is a monthly subscription fee where it will go through the data analytics of not only looking at how you're trending for the day and week, but also how you trend over time. And it will also have the capability of having monitoring services throughout in the future. This is a product that is available through your local plumber and trade network, so feel free to reach out to them for more information and to order the Buoy product. Once again, through Resideo.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appbyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.